Welcome. In front of me is a Poco M6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset your device through recovery mode. Now, with that being said, this device right here is in a setup screen, but you can perform this at any point. Even if you have a screen like that you don't know, you can still do this. So you start off by holding your power button and then just swipe up to turn it off. Once the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. And when you see the Poco logo, let go of the power button. This will boot us into recovery mode. And here, using volume buttons, you want to select the second option, which is wipe data. So press volume down once and then power button to confirm that. Select wipe all data and then confirm. After a moment, you'll have the pop-up right here. Data wipe successfully. I'm going to select power button, power button, power button. And this will now reboot the device and continue the reset in the background. Now, because it's continuing the reset in the background, it will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Once the process is finished, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.